Hi everybody, this is Lloyd Thompson at Bell Camper Sales, Bartlesville, Dewey, Highway 75 North. Here we're featuring our 231 rear kitchen connect, built by KZRV. It has one of the stronger walls in the industry. It also has a solid tongue and groove plyboard floor with 16-inch floor joists, not 4-foot and not a styrofoam floor. It has a 2-year pretty much bumper to bumper warranty, one of the longest warranties in the industry. Very, very spacious. You'll see the large theater seat, larger than most. It has of course massage, and it's lighted, and also it heats up. Here we have the dark shades. Notice the valances here, lots of storage. This is a 360-degree video, so be sure to take advantage of that and look around the trailer as I talk. Notice the very long kitchen countertop. Lots of room in the sink. Has the sprayer on the faucet of the sink. Has a large back window in the kitchen. Lots of cabinets across the top. Built-in stove top. Oven door with the window in it. You can see inside. Very residential. Has a size 8 refrigerator freezer. Very, very spacious. A lot of them come with a 6 or a 7. And in this slide, opposing slide, not opposing slide, but in this slide that holds the refrigerator, look at that pantry. That is very unique to have a pantry that size. Very, very spacious. The entertainment system is here. The TV pulls out and around, storage, and the fireplace, which is electric there. Has central heat and air, LED lighting, electric awning with a light built into it, and also it has the electric jacks outside. Fiberglass exterior, climate controlled. You don't have to worry about, within reason, where you're camping and what time of year, as long as you take some precautions. As anything that's man-made, of course. It's very lightweight. It's only 5,700 pounds. Pull it with about anything. This Connect 231 RK, or rear kitchen. Okay, let's go look at the rest of it. Here we are in the 231 rear kitchen Connect at Bell Camper Sales, Bartlesville, Dewey, Highway 75 North. Notice the large step-in shower in this 360-degree video. Real nice, easy to operate shower door. Very nice. It is a one-piece shower surround, so you don't have to worry about, water getting behind something. Here we have on this side a large storage area. We have the medicine cabinet. This bathroom goes clear across the trailer, so this side goes into the living room. This side goes into the large bedroom, king bedroom, which is very amazing. Storage below the sink also, and a little window in the bathroom. Sliding door here and a sliding door here on both sides. Oh yeah, and here is the linen closet. Very spacious there. Porcelain toilet. Let's look at the bedroom. Little 231 rear kitchen has its own door in the bedroom. A king bedroom in this lightweight trailer built for a half-ton vehicle. You notice behind the closets there's storage and phone chargers and power back there. A nice area for a CPAP machine. You have the closets that are built in. The television would go here and swing around. Walk around the bed. There's storage under the bed and storage across the front outside of the trailer. And storage above the bed. All LED lighting. 2 nice windows as well as the window in the bedroom door. So if you get a chance, come and see us at Bell Camper Sales, Bartlesville and Dewey, Highway 75 North. Take a look at this Connect 231 RK, or rear kitchen. Remember, everybody that wants to stays the night at Bell Camper Sales when they buy a trailer and tries it out at our brand new, it's a few years old, RV park, which will be right adjacent to our brand new dealership that's coming this year. Thank you, folks. Come and see us. Bye.